Let's see how to create a Cash App account even if you're outside the United States. It's a simple process, but you'll need a little trick to make it work. First, you'll need to download a VPN. I recommend using NordVPN, which is a great option for privacy and security. It's perfect for safe browsing, unblocking content, and protecting your data. Once you've installed NordVPN, open the app and connect to a US server. This will make your device appear to be located within the United States. Now, open your device's App Store and search for Cash App. Download and install the app. Open Cash App and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. You'll need to provide your mobile number and verify it with a code. If you want to be able to deposit and withdraw funds, you can add a debit card to your Cash App account. However, this is optional. And that's it. You've successfully created a Cash App account outside the United States. By using a VPN, you were able to bypass the geographic restrictions. Remember, NordVPN is a great tool for online privacy and security, and it's also a great way to access geo-restricted content like Cash App. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.